What is going on, everybody? Thank you so much for tuning in. My name is John. Today I have for you a big box good. That's right, today we're going to be taking a look at the On Medium Party Speaker with LED lighting I picked up at Walmart for $79. Out of 5 stars, it gets 4.5 out of 17 customer reviews. It has a total power output of 40 watts. It has an 8-hour playtime. This speaker has a built-in FM radio, which is pretty interesting because I actually showed you from the front of the box that this speaker has like this little click wheel on the top of it. I presume that that is to tune the FM radio that is built in. Like I said, this is an LED Bluetooth speaker, so it does have 5 different LED settings. We're gonna test them out and find out which colors they are, if they blink or pulsate. That'll be pretty fun. Yeah, today we're just gonna be doing a little bit of an unboxing and a first impressions. This does have options for a microphone or a guitar jack, so if you want to play a little bit of karaoke or play the guitar in front of some guests, this is a little bit different from your typical portable Bluetooth party speaker that people normally review, that I normally review on this channel. For instance, I've done a HomePod video. Yeah, what makes this speaker a little bit different from those portable Bluetooth speakers is not only its size, but like I said, the fact that you can plug in a guitar or a microphone, which really makes this speaker more of an amp. I don't think that this speaker will come with the aux cable or the guitar jack. You guys can get a pretty good idea of the unboxing and first impressions. I'm just gonna take these scissors and sort of cut open the top of the box there. Side view there. This is a pretty big box, as you can tell. I don't know how I'm gonna go about this with one hand. There we go. So we'll go ahead and remove the styrofoam sides. A couple of things that I've noticed about this speaker, but let's go ahead and put it off to the side momentarily and see what comes in the box. This is pretty much all that you get. You get what looks to be a wall plug, no guitar jack or 3.5mm jack. So as you can tell, I had to readjust the angles of the camera because the speaker is a pretty decent size. You know, this is much larger than a portable Bluetooth speaker. It is still portable though. It's actually pretty light for its size. I will be pretty honest with you. Construction is pretty top-notch so far. There's the front of the speaker there. We've got the side of the speaker and of course the back of the speaker. And you'll actually notice from the back of the speaker, it's got a grab handle there. But what I actually really like about this grab handle is you can grip it from underneath or you can grip it from the top like that. So it has this little pass through here. Yeah, like I was saying earlier, you can connect it to a guitar jack and a microphone jack. So you'll find all of those imports there. And it looks like you get a USB 3.0 to basically whatever you want. So lightning or charge your phone. That's a 5-volt outlet there, so yeah, you could charge your phone. There is that guitar jack that I was talking about, and of course you get an aux port as well in case you maybe want to daisy chain these speakers. Okay, so what I really like about this back sort of area here is it does close shut. It is a rubber seal. You get a wide array of buttons on the top. It does have 5 different settings, so this is like a solid pulsating light, and then you can get a red pulsating light. So basically you have red, green, this is like blue, and then you have pulsating. It'll rotate between or go in a circle, and then you have sort of pulsating or a solid color but changing colors. So this is master volume, and as you can see, it rotates really nice and smooth, and it's actually pretty tactile. It does offer some feedback. If we go ahead and press the bass button, as you can see, it does say bass boost on this little LCD panel here, which is really nice. Here are dedicated volume up and down switches for the microphone. And then on the right-hand side, you get fast forward, rewind, and play and pause. Okay, so I've got my iPhone SE here. I've got Bluetooth up. I'm gonna go ahead and try to pair the speaker.
Bluetooth connected.
And we are connected to the iPhone. Now let's go ahead and see if we can't listen to some music here. So we're gonna go ahead and see if we can't get this song to play. This is royalty-free music by YouTube. This is Mia. Hey! Okay, so what you just heard was half volume, bass booster turned off. Let's go ahead and play it half volume, bass booster turned on. I don't know if I want to take this to full volume. We'll see. Okay guys, so this speaker is actually pretty phenomenal, as you would expect from a speaker of this size. What I really like about it, finally, after having got it connected, that was definitely a little bit finicky. I had to turn the speaker off and then turn it back on to get it to connect. It's like I had to reset something. Strange, considering I just took it out of the box. Listen to when I turn the volume all the way up on the speaker. You get this chime letting you know that you're at max volume. What I really like is you do get really nice tactile rubber buttons at the top of the speaker. They definitely feel like they are water resistant. This is a really nice speaker. As you can tell, the bass was just off the charts. There's actually this button at the top here. That might be an input button. So let's go ahead and there we go. And we've got aux, and we've got Bluetooth. Anyways, guys, this on medium party Bluetooth speaker sounds absolutely terrific. And what does make it a legitimate party speaker is the fact that you can plug in a microphone and a guitar. Anyways, because I picked it up at Walmart, that does make it a big box good for $79. Out of 5 stars, the speaker gets 4.5. By the way, I want to let you in on a little secret. I picked this speaker up for $59. Retailers are having phenomenal deals right now. I'll link this in the description below. It might be $79 on Walmart's website, but if you go to the store, you might be able to find it for $59. Anyways, guys, my name is John. Thank you so much for tuning in. I hope you enjoyed this unboxing and first impressions. If you want to see more content like this, hit that like button, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.